My name is Corey, and I am a teaching artist with young audiences of Louisiana. And this is Art to Heart. Today, we will be using puppetry, props, and facial expressions to explore our emotions. For today's session, you will need one thing, and that is an old, empty picture frame, like this one, or like this one. So, this would be a great time to pause the video and go get your old empty picture frame. And if you don't have one, that's okay. You can use an old cereal box and cut out a rectangle shape that fits around your face like so, and use that. All right. Now, you may be wondering, you folks at home, let me see your I wonder face. You may be wondering, why do we need to explore our emotions? Well, identifying our emotions is the first step to emotional awareness. And when we're able to identify our emotions, we can learn healthy ways to talk about them and to manage them. Before we dive into the session today, I wanted to sing a little song to show how much I appreciate you joining us and to help us all loosen up a little bit. It goes like this. I'm so glad that everyone is here today. Hooray! I'm so glad that everyone is here today. Hooray! I'm so glad that everyone is here to have some fun. I'm so glad that everyone is here today. Hooray! I'm going to sing that one more time, and I want you folks to join in. I want to hear you with some loud hoorays. Here we go. I'm so glad that everyone is here today. Hooray! I'm so glad that everyone is here today. Hooray! I'm so glad that everyone is here to have some fun. I'm so glad that everyone is here today. Hooray! Give yourselves a round of applause. Today I've asked a special friend to join us to help us learn about our emotions. Millie, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah. My name is Millie, and I love to be silly. I am Millie, the silly sock puppy puppet.
Ooh, what a nice introduction. I am so glad that you are here with us today.
Well, I'm happy to be here. Happy.
Ooh, it's funny you mentioned that you're happy because happy is the first emotion that we are going to talk about today. I feel happy when I ride my bike and I feel the wind blowing in my hair. When do you feel happy, Millie?
Oh, when I get to go on a walk and I get to sniff.
Oh, nice. I love that. You know, and I can tell that you're happy because you're smiling. When I'm happy, I smile and my eyebrows go up. And this is a good time to pull out our feelings frame. That's how we're going to use our feelings frame today. We're going to freeze our emotion in our feelings frame, and later on you'll get to guess some so we could play the feelings frame game. So it goes like this. You freeze it, and then someone else guesses, but we're already talking about happy. So do you want to try the happy face to get used to the feelings frame? Okay, can you folks at home show your happy face in the feelings frame with Millie? Okay, here we go. Ooh, and freeze it. Oh, good job. Millie's frozen in space. Nice. Millie looks so happy. Okay, good job using the feelings frame. So you can just set that aside. And you folks at home, I said what makes me happy. Millie said what makes her happy. Shout out into the air what makes you happy. Just shout it right out.
Dogs, treats, bones.
Not you, Millie, the folks at home. Shout it out.
Shout it out. Shout it out.
Okay. Now, there's a really fun chant that I want to teach you that goes like this. We have feelings every day. When we feel feelings, it's all okay. And that second line, you can change it anytime and plug in the feeling that you are feeling. So it would sound like this. We have feelings every day. When we feel happy, it's all okay. Yeah. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. So why don't you folks at home try it with Millie. Millie, do you want to lead the folks at home on this chant with the happy feeling?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay. Don't be shy. We have feelings every day. When we feel happy, it's all okay. Yeah. Oh, well, I don't know if it requires a bow, but thank you. Oh, good job. Bravo. Yeah, so that is happy. We're going to use our feelings frame to play this game. You ready? Because I'm going to freeze a different emotion in the feelings frame, and then you have to guess it. You ready? I don't know. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, and you folks at home can try to guess as well. Okay. What was it? What was my feeling? You looked so sad. Like when it's raining outside and I can't go outside and play. Yeah, I was sad. And what makes me really sad is when I can't go see my friends. It makes me so sad. And that's a good time to remember our chant. The chant goes like this. We have feelings every day. When we feel sad, it's all okay. Do you want to lead the folks at home in that chant?
Yeah. We have feelings every day. When we feel sad, it's all okay. We have feelings every day. When we feel sad, it's all okay.
Now, we're going to play the feelings game again. This time, I'm going to make an emotion, and hopefully you can guess it again.
Ow, ow, ow. Happy, 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 happy.
Ooh, close. It isn't happy. We've already done happy, but you are so close. Let me show you again and see if you can guess it this time. Okay, you ready? Okay.
Are you surprised?
Very close. You are getting warmer and warmer. You're almost there. I bet you guess it. Let me show you one more time. Okay, here we go.
I got it. I got it. You are excited.
Yes, you guessed it. I get so excited when I get to go see my friends and hear them play music, and I get to move and groove. When do you get excited, Sock Puppy?
Oh, oh, oh. When I get a treat. T-R-E-A-T. Treat.
Whoa, you can spell treat? Wow, that is exciting in itself. Okay. So, you folks at home, get your picture frame out and let's see your excited face. You want to do yours? Okay, do it with Millie the Sock Puppy. Here we go. Everybody at home, do your excited face. Yeah, nice, beautiful, good job. And shout out what makes you excited. I want to hear it. Shout it out. What makes you excited? Do you want to lead us in our chant for excited?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
We have feelings every day. When we feel excited, it's all okay.
And we can do that chant anytime we need to with any feeling that comes up. Just to remind us that it's okay to have feelings and that feelings come and go. Okay, we're going to keep playing the feelings game. I'm going to show an emotion in the feelings frame, and Millie, you have to guess it. You ready? Okay, here we go.
Oh, I know. You are so mad.
Yes, I was so mad. Like when people take my things, I get so mad and huffy and puffy, and sometimes I want to ball up my fist, and I just don't know what to do. Do you ever get mad like that, Millie?
Yeah. I get super mad sometimes when people want to play with my toys because they are mine. But my favorite teacher told me about this really cool breathing technique
That helps when you're mad? Do you want to show us?
Yeah.
I would love to learn that breathing technique.
Well, first you have to breathe in your nose and you hold it. It comes count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you breathe out of your mouth. So breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And you just do that 10 times.
Wow. And that helps you calm down?
Yeah.
You know, I feel a little calmer just doing it 3 times with you just now. So thanks for the tip. And let's not forget about our chant. If we're feeling feelings like mad or whatever feeling, we can use our chant to remind us that it's okay to have feelings and feelings come and go. It goes like this. We have feelings every day. When we feel mad, it's all okay. Do you want to lead the folks at home, Millie, in our final chant for today?
Yeah. We have feelings every day. When we feel mad, it's all okay.
Thank you, Millie. And it's actually time for us to say goodbye. So, Millie, why don't you say goodbye to the folks at home? And it's been lovely having you.
All right. Bye. Don't forget your chant, whatever you're feeling. See you soon.
Before we go today, I would like to sing you one of my favorite goodbye songs. It goes like this. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. Let's sing it one more time and you guys can join in and sing goodbye with me. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish.